This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, April 22nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have one system moving through the Great Lakes away from the state, another system moving into the Pacific coast, and a bit of a ridge in between. That's going to bring us some sunshine around here today, with highs in the upper 50s to maybe near 70 from north to or northeast to south and west. When the storm system brought the rain yesterday and into the last weekend is off to our east, with the next system off to our west, approaching us very late tonight and into the day here on Wednesday. We could see some showers and maybe some thunderstorms by late in the afternoon in our western counties and into the evening in the rest of the state. Highs will still be mainly in the 60s to 70s. Mainly some 60s here on Thursday as the cold front comes through. We could see some very late clearing in our far western counties by the late afternoon and into the evening, while the rest of the state sees some showers and storms. That storm begins to occlude and move to the north and east, and it does cool down a bit, highs in the 50s to lower 60s here on Friday, with partly to mostly sunny skies, more clouds in the north than in the south. And then the next system begins to approach as we move into Saturday. Saturday will probably be the best of the 2 days, albeit that Saturday will probably still have highs only in the 50s to near 60 with increasing clouds by late in the day. Sunday looks like a raw, rainy, maybe some embedded thunder. Highs will be struggling to get to 50 in some areas, some upper 40s to low to mid 50s across the state. Any storms would be in Missouri and southward. And the rain continues even into Monday. Still could see highs barely struggling to get to 50 in some areas. Maybe some upper 40s to low to mid 50s statewide. And then even here next Tuesday, we have a big trough over the middle part of the country now. Ridge trying to pump itself up into Canada. And with that, we have some cold air aloft, so especially during the overnight hours and as this precipitation ends late next Tuesday night, or Tuesday evening and into Tuesday night, we could see some mixed precipitation possible. We'll have to wait and see. We have plenty of time to watch it. Going into the extended period on May the 3rd, we have a trough over the east, system coming into the northern Rockies, and with the flow coming out of the north, again, that means we've seen this all winter. It means colder than normal readings, highs likely in the 50s and 60s if this is right, with a system with some rain across the Great Lakes and into the Ohio River Valley. Another system over the north and west as well. And then when we go to the end of the forecast, on May 7th, we have a zonal flow at this point. No more cold air. We at least hope there won't be any more cold air. If this is to be right, we would have a quick moving flow. We'd have some rain around, maybe some showers, and maybe a thunderstorm or two with highs around the upper 60s to middle 70s if this is to be correct, but we still have more than 2 weeks away from this time period to watch it. Satellite image from last evening, we had one storm moving away from us. That brought us the rain this past weekend and into yesterday. The next system coming into the west, that'll bring us the rain later on in the week on Wednesday and Thursday. Watch 20 map from last evening, some wind advisories and high wind warnings over the Intermountain West, some red flag warnings in Nevada, Arizona, and New Mexico. Otherwise, it was pretty quiet across the rest of the country at this time. The KPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days. This goes through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Showing rainfall amounts could be anywhere between a half to 1 inch, maybe isolated heavier totals. Heaviest rains and precipitation will be over the Pacific Northwest coast.